Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm so excited because we are going to showcase a VIP lounge papers giveaway. Once a month, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. And every month I decided to give away this current month VIP lounge papers. Before we crack on with the giveaway, let me show you what you could win this month. Okay guys, so for the month of October, the main collection is called Captured in Autumn. It's a very large kit. It's got lots of backgrounds and ephemera. So you've got this page here full of like Polaroid and cameras. You've got some autumn leaves. I wanted to feel very autumnal, of course, ready for the season, but not too common with like sunflowers, etc, etc. You've got a page full of tags, and each tag has got some embellishment. So you've got a vintage light, lovely butterfly, another vintage lamp, another butterfly, and then two more butterflies there. So love. You get another background. You can do anything that you want with these. You get a page full of embellishments. So what I did, I create some doilies. I can keep the same colors because all my papers mix and match. Okay, so if you do large projects, they all blend together. So you've got these lovely heart doilies with butterflies. Then you get a page with a scallop envelope and a pillow box, because you know my kits are always complete kits. You get gift boxes, you've got ephemera, envelope, etc. You've got a page with 4 envelopes, so you just need to fold there and you create your traditional envelopes. And then I thought to give you a background with 4 different backgrounds. This is better, amazing if you do card making, because you can just simply cut that and that is your card base, and then we do some embellishment. And I got some bits and pieces that I bought specifically for this project, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so but also you can use it like that if you do like a page, because you've got 2 different sections. It's completely up to you. Then you get a second kit. It's like a mini kit. Here there is, and it's called Spooky Tags. Okay, so you've got 2 pages. It's more for like Halloween. So you've got a witch, some potions, a lovely. Now this work great as tags, but also as a bookmark. So if you do craft fairs or anything, you can just simply cut maybe like on a purple cardstock or black cardstock and maybe like do some layering. And then a second page full of tags. So cute. I didn't overly decorate them because I want to give you something plain for you guys to maybe like put an initial for children. You know, if you do like a little sweets bags, it's completely up to you, but I think they're adorable. They're not your traditional Halloween colors, because I like the pink and the white, and of course you got your orange, but yeah. And then you also get a template gift box for you to make it up. So you get an assembly instruction page when I can see the front letter, the reverse letter, the back, and then all the little tabs to make it up. Okay, so you got them printed like that, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what it looks like when it's all done up. So you got the front R and the back raw and all the tabs. And on this page I gave you some ephemera, so you've got some circles, some little embellishment, some page flags. So yeah, you get a little bits and pieces as well, because I had quite like half of the page for empty, like for free, so I thought let's add some more. But yeah, this is what you need to make it, you know, all the letter up. Also, you get a private video, step by step, how to put the letter together. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, and this is what the letter R looks like when it's all done up. and it stands perfectly straight. Okay, let me show you the entire complete alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, then I got letter O, P, Q, and R. Okay, the VIP members get this letter each month for free, but of course you can purchase all the alphabet actually from letter A to the letter M on my website as well. But again, one of the perks for my VIP lounge is that you get those letters for free, one a month. Okay guys, finally I got there eventually. I've been working for a few months behind the scene, but I'm finally so excited to share something new with you. Okay, these are my brand new bundled paper collections. These are carefully curated sets that are the perfect way to stock up on gorgeous designed by me, while staying budget friendly. Each bundle is packed with beautiful prints to spark your creativity, whether you're making cards, junk journal, or just taking some well-deserved time to relax with a craft project. Crafting for me isn't just a hobby, and of course it's not just a business either, but is a wonderful way to distress, okay, to boost your mood and give your mind a calming break up from the everyday rush in business. I work full-time, as you guys know. I have another job, and my day is very rush, very, very busy. That's why I wanted to group this paper together. I wanted to make it easier than ever for you to access inspiring papers at a very special price. Of course, these bundles are very, very cheap, and that is the reason why, guys, I wanted to give you the best quality with very, very affordable price. Okay, so if you go to my website antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well, which is this one. But I wanted to show you. Let's click on this one, for example. So you see the page here, which is, of course, is the preview. But if you click on here, this little square with the play button, that's the video and shows you every single page. Okay, so you know what you are buying. Now, this specific bundle, it's got 100 pages. Yes, I'm not going mental. It's 100 pages, okay, for $9.99. And then the same, exactly the same approach I have used for my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Yes, so £2 a month. Or you can have one-off payment, which is £20 a year, when you get 2 months for free. Okay, so I've taken the decision to lower the price and give you an amazing value for a huge amount of creativity. Okay, so now you saw all my beautiful VIP lounge digital papers and gift box. Now, how can you win those papers? I give 3 of you the opportunity to win these papers simply by commenting. Leave a comment down below telling me and give me some ideas of what you would make using these papers. You can leave as many comments as you want, and I will pick the winners randomly in a few weeks. Okay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much once again for everything that you guys do for me. So this is my little way to give something back to the community. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you very soon.